On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to download files using WPTravel. WPTravel plugin provides the feature to download different types of files from the particular travel website. WPTravel provides travel site owners with a special functions to upload a digital media files associated with particular trips and destinations as content on their site. It has made it easier for downloading and uploading. To know more about how to add download files, please follow this step-by-step guide. So after activation of WPTravel plugin, you will be able to see this Downloads tab in WPTravel. Now in case you do not see this in here, head over to WPTravel and settings, and from there to add-on settings, and make sure WPTravel downloads is enabled. So now from WPTravel, head over to downloads, and when you click on downloads menu, you will be redirected to the downloads page where you need to create a download by clicking on add new download. After clicking on add new download button, a download section will appear where you need to fill up different fields. First of all, you need to add a title for the download. You can upload any types of file from this box and add any type of caption using this longer box. So let's just quickly add some of the downloads in here and add a caption and related files. Once you're done with adding the download, you can see the download added notification appearing on top. Now if you head back to the downloads tab, you will be able to see the download is added successfully in here. If you click on a particular download, you can display the image instead of icons by uploading the image in the tab downloads preview, and you can select anything of your choice and you're done. Now let's add the download to the trip. Now the point to be noted here is the downloads tab must be enabled, so please make sure that you have enabled the download tab by going to settings and tabs, and when you click on this downloads, make sure the display is enabled. Also make sure to enable the downloads tab in the individual trip tab settings if you haven't used global tab settings. You can add the download file by going through admin panel, trips, all trips, and from there to a trip of your choice, and scroll a little bit down, and here you will be able to see this downloads tab. Click on that, and to add a downloadable file, you need to simply type in here the title of that particular download, and you will be able to see that download displayed in here. If you want to send the download file through the email sent to the customer, you can simply add the file. For that, you need to add a file inside of a download email attachments, as could be seen in here. You need to add the given email tag seen on your screen to add the download file to the email templates of your choice. Now if you head over to the front end page here, you will be able to see in downloads tab different types of downloads are available for a user to be downloaded. If you want to send downloads file of trip to the required email, then you can send it by checking in this want to send trip information to others, and simply type in here the email address that you want to send on. So yeah guys, that was pretty much it for this video, and I hope you learned something new in this one. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. Until next time, peace.